How does that make a cake?
Okay. Screwed up a cake. Accident. I am a. I was supposed to do that.
How does that thing make a cake?
I'll show you in a second. Oh, now I know what I used to this little bread. Last time I was pretending I was a doctor. That was fun.
I always pretend I'm a chef.
Hey Josh, remember I did that? Scalpel. Remember that? I was using that knife for a doctor.
No.
She'll make the cake.
How did you make a cake? Tiana, you broke it.
Broke what? Are you serious? Oh, okay. My iPod's plugged in, right?
Yes.
Who's doing dishes tonight?
That's cool.
Can I do dishes?
You actually want to do dishes?
Yeah, it's chores. It shows so I'm responsible for a pet. That's the whole part we're doing chores.
Not allowed to do chores.
Didn't I?
No.
No, I didn't. We're doing chores so my mom and Josh were to show them we're responsible. Because we never do chores around the house.
Oh, that's not why I do chores.
You don't do chores.
Mhm.
Cleaning your room is a chore, but like.
At my mom's, I clean my room. At my dad's, I take the trash out. I clean my room. I do the dishes. I wipe off all the counters, and I vacuum.
Yeah, I
every day.
That. I do say to you all the time.
And my brother does laundry.
That's it? Laundry? Which one's worse?
Not mine. You
Yours
know how
was-
long it takes me to do dishes? Especially when we eat food that night.
I had an idea. If when Tristan does it, we would just lick all the plates. Because that would be funny. My scalpel's done. It won't open it. Oh, God, his scalpel. Double. Right? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, you trying to get it out? Here, just watch.
She's got the magic touch.
Who does?
You?
No, because if you do my way, maybe it works. Because she's just trying to push it out. Oh, maybe I should show that. Here,
Lauren.
you're the nurse, okay?
Lauren, look at me.
Wait.
I'm taking it on Facebook.
Here, open that up.
Got it, Ryan?
What?
That's on YouTube.
Really?
Leave it open.
Really?
Right, on it. This is the most, I have a lot of white. I love the color white. It is my favorite color.
White and black are just a mixture of all the colors.
Alright, I'm set. We are a nurse, and we will help this patient. Here's the whole part.
Hey, Diana,
Hey, what's up?
where's your knife?
Right here?
Can I see it?
No,
Or can you hold it up?
no.
Oh.
Anyway, put it up people on YouTube.
Yeah, don't put this on YouTube. Don't you dare put this on YouTube.
You know what I'm gonna have.
Did you just try to stab me?
No, I'm gonna point it at you.
No.
She gets happy with it.
Coffee.
Coffee's done. This is another day of a sleepover. Did you get a coffee, Doc? Oh, yeah, was it good?
Yeah.
Okay, Annabelle, good. This is gonna be a day of surgery.
The patient looks mangled.
That looks squished.
It's squished and mangled. Deanna, we should go outside.
No.
What are you doing, Deanna?
Try to cut it.
Cut what?
I'll use a paper. I'll just use this.
Why don't you use scissors?
No. I'm saying like I need a piece.
This is cool. Okay.
I don't know.
Don't eat.
Come on.
That one.
It swallowed it.
I just felt it.
Choke on it, stupid. Like,
You're being really
nurse,
creative.
he's choking.
He has to have the Heimlich maneuver.
You're my nurse, I'm the doctor. That's scalpel, knife, spoon.
What do you need a spoon for?
To get the insides out, duh.
You're a doctor. You take them out by hand.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool if Play-Doh made like an organ set.
Knife.
Like you make like little organs.
Wait a minute. I know what makes this really fun.
He's choking, doctor.
Don't do anything else.
You should cut him open. I wonder what that thing really is.
This is making some fun. When Mom was at dialysis, they gave us a whole bunch of them.
Turn it off, Ryan.
Doctor.
Nurse. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
Do you need a doctor to help?
No. I've seen your work all.
Oh. Trouble.
I'll go get a second opinion.
Oh. Can't see.
Ryan, turn it
Oh,
off.
God, it's fine. Scalpel. It's like really hot in this thing. See how they feel. Never mind. He has to even work.
Turn it
No.
off, Ryan.
Oh.
It's okay.
See, she's nice.
We need gloves. I have a pair of gloves.
Oh.
Pretend I had gloves on.
You need a spoon.
Ah, not that far, doctor. God.
You're the doctor.
Oh,
Oh.
it hurt. You
Oh,
killed
no.
my patient.
Walter's baking them pancakes.
Okay. For a girl, it does hurt.
Poor little Lauren.
What?
Said poor little
We're
Lauren.
losing him. Ow.
No, save his life, doctor.
I am.
Hurry, doctor.
Nurse. Oh, I ripped it apart.
You code it.
No, I didn't. It's still alive. I can stitch him out.
Doctor. That's how you have to say doctor.
I have to start all over now. I keep on.
What?
Doctor, don't break his back.
Stop fucking mine. Yeah, let's up.
Doctor.
Doctor?
All right,
Doctor.
let's get it done.
Nurse. Play-Doh. Basket.
Time for surgery time. Dude, start this over, okay? And then delete that one.